here coming at you from the floor of my studio once again. This is why my knees are always screaming at me. But that's okay, because it's for the sake of art. All right, so today what we're gonna do is do some white waxing, and I want to show you a couple tips and tricks for getting your wax on, wax off. So what am I using today? Using some white DIY, okay? Debbie's Design Diary. You can get this at my shop. I can mail it to you. If you live somewhere fun, I'll just come out and hand deliver it, no problem. Somewhere tropical, please. It's freezing here. All right, and we got some clear wax right here. So we've painted this. Doesn't matter what brand, what color, what you've done, just get it painted. But I do want you to put a clear coat of wax on top. What this is it's like your slip coat, basically. If I were to take my white wax and just go straight on, it's gonna get gunky, it's not gonna slide around. So I've already put the clear on here, and now we're gonna put the white. So I like to just keep my wax brushes moist. Sometimes they're clean, sometimes they're not. Put them in a little blue. Are you gonna come help me today? Always. Okay, so this already has the clear on there, but I want to have clear handy because we may need it. I also closed it too tight. Dang it! Hold on. Every video has an interruption. Every video. We'll fix it in post. All right, clear and white. The look we're going for is beachy, weathered beachy, okay? So you could do a whitewash. I like to use the wax. I like to have more control, and when you've done the wax, you're done, all right? Nothing goes on top of wax, so we're gonna finish that off. So I'm just gonna use, as per my usual, one brush. Those of you with OCD, you can put a little bit of this on a plate and a little bit of this on the plate. Don't freak out. All right, but I'm gonna go right in here, take a little bit of the white, and for this, I'm gonna back you up a little bit. I'm gonna make it a little heavier around the outside so it creates almost like a little 3D effect, and then I'm gonna mimic that in these. Okay, all right, here we go. So I'm just gonna kind of put this on really light. Basically, all I'm doing is just getting it in place. Okay, here we go. We're done. Thanks for coming. All right, so I'm gonna mush this in now that I've kind of got it in there. And even with the clear wax, you can see that it doesn't like to move around as much as I want it to move around. So that's okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more on there. Here's the trick. Just get it basically how you want it. Sometimes you gotta really, stab it. See, I'm kind of leaving that open. Shop towels, okay? Just a regular old shop towel. Make sure you have something that isn't gonna leave a lot of lint. And now I'm gonna really dig in. Circular motions. Get this the way I want it. I don't know where that just came from. Oh well, we'll figure it out. So now I've got it pretty good, but I still want to smooth it out a little bit and open this up some more. So I'm gonna dig into my clear. Your clear is like your eraser, okay? And I'm gonna put some of that here in the middle. See how it lifts it off? There we go. Now I don't want to see too many of those little swirly marks. So now I'm gonna go kind of a little bit more random pattern. And then this is where you should stand back, take a look, make sure you've got it how you want it. You can also put your rag right in there and pull back as well. There you go. Let's do this area close up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna put a little bit more clear on here to start, because I really want this to be able to move around. Okay. If you feel like your stuff is grabbing a hold too quickly and soaking in too quickly, grab that, and then just a little dot, not too much. All right, because I want to kind of highlight this detail here. Okay, so I'm going to kind of get in there. All right, it's always got to look ugly before it looks pretty. And then I'll take my shop towel, kind of pull back a little bit. And then the trick, you got to stand back. You got to get up, work out your joints, and see, you know, if it's heavy, if it's too heavy, if it's too light. I actually want a little bit more coming in to the center. So just keep going back and forth between your brush and your rag. Use your finger. You can do this heavier, you can do it lighter, you can do it uniform, not uniform, whatever works for you. All right, let's take a step back. See how that looks. All right, so I'm standing back, and I definitely like the effect. And I'm gonna keep going, and then once it's all done, we can always use the clear wax to pull back if we need to, or add more of the white wax. So I hope you have fun with this, try it out. You can do this same process with white wax, with the dark wax, with the black wax. But if you're looking for kind of a beachy gray, this is a really great way to make that happen with wax.